I don't really do a whole sketching phase. I tend to skip that, especially if it's a very simple piece. If I can visualize it in my head, then I can make it. My name is Jennifer Rong, and I'm a woodworking artisan who specializes in jewelry, housewares, and furniture. I work out of a workshop in the Junction in Toronto. I got into woodworking through my previous profession in a way. I used to work for a woodworking magazine. I got the chance to assist at one of their trade shows in their hands-on workshop area. That was one of my most earliest memories of woodworking. I guess I fell in love with wood from that moment. I am often salvaging wood when I walk my dog. I take that opportunity to not look crazy and find some sticks and twigs and be like, yeah, they're for my dog. So I guess the forest to me is a place where I can find all my materials. Since I prefer salvage wood and live edge pieces, I can find tons there. It's like heaven to me. I use a variety of woodworking tools, from table saws to miter saws, but my favorite and most trusted tool is definitely the laser cutter. When it comes to my business, I am involved in every aspect from salvaging the wood to the finished product, as well as selling it. Salvage wood is wood that is found that's either been cut down because it was diseased, or wood that has fallen and is otherwise doomed for the chipper. You can still make beautiful things out of salvage wood. I try to let the wood inspire me. I let it come naturally. I guess it's about believing in yourself. You have to believe in your own products first before you can expect anyone else to. My favorite part about the work process is, I would say, when I'm finished making a new piece. And then a close second would be selling something and seeing a very happy customer. I think people should support their local woodworkers and artisans and appreciate your natural surroundings as well. To me, in a word, wood means life. It takes a forest to bring ideas to life.